name is Mahlatse and we are at Teacher Sports Center. This is on my way home from school, and today we're just gonna go have a few snacks. We only have $100, so we're not gonna spend any more than that. So come with me and I'll show you around. Can I have one new tafian? New tafian, yes, 一个。多少钱？13. What's 13?
13.
$13. Okay, can I have wait. Can you hold on? Okay, so guys, we are just gonna try the new tafian. We don't have any seats. Luckily, this is not Japan. So this is really hot. I'm really scared. It's really chewy. don't need to lie to me. I know I'm loud. Okay. So we are going to go get something with seafood in, and maybe with more noodles. And then after that we'll go get a drink. What are these?
Octopus.
Octopus. Dried octopus?
Yeah, dried.
And what is this?
Dry fish.
这个什么？
这个50克9块8，香辣鳗鱼丝。
香辣鳗鱼丝？
对。
What's this? The crab?
Dry octopus.
The dry octopus. Oh my god, we're gonna try the dry octopus. It's very sweet. I've already tried it before this camera went on, but we're gonna try it for the camera. So here we go. It tastes like dry octopus.
It's dry octopus.
No, really dry. It's like eating gum, chewing gum, and then taking it out and putting it on the shelf, and then coming back a few days later and then chewing it. It's that hard. No, it's
Just
that
like
hard.
paper.
Yeah, a bit. But this one has taste. It's a bit sweet-ish, but paperish, but good. You know, I could eat this. It's like a diet snack, right?
Yeah, a snake.
Did they put sugar on it? 你好，这个有 sugar. Did you put sugar on this? 一点点 sugar. Okay, he's saying 一点点 whatever.
Just
means
a little.
very little sugar. That's what they did. Also, and we are also gonna try this. This is the. I just have to say, me and my camera woman are gonna eat the hell out of this when this camera goes off. So this is the fish. What kind of fish is this?
Dry little fish.
Dry little fish. Does this fish have a name? Is it like Pacific Surrey? Is it like sardines? 你好，这个
It's not shocking.
什么名字？香辣
鳗鱼。
香辣鳗鱼。So that's what we have, guys. We're snacking on 香辣鳗鱼, whatever that is. But it tastes good. Like, tastes a bit eel.
Yeah, small eel.
Eel.
Yeah,
This is eel, guys.
small one.
This is like a small eel.
Yeah, but not that big.
This is like small eel.
It is
has
spicy?
like it's very spicy with sesame seeds, and it has like soy sauce and a spice that I can't place. Like it's I can feel it hitting the back of my throat a bit. I'm gonna need like a lot of water or milk to be safe, you know. But it is good. It's good. It's not